So I was recently driving on a narrow road and someone hit my mirror with their mirror and a piece fell off. I did glue it back in place, but I'm not quite happy with how it looks. Some of the glue residue is there. I can't take it off. From here, I can clearly see the crack there and another crack there. So I did order another mirror cover online. Um, it the color looks slightly different. I've cleaned this one up. But there's still definitely like some nice speckles inside this white paint compared to this one, but this was really cheap and I'm hoping it's not going to be too visible once it's fitted. So I'm going to go ahead and try and remove the old one off, but the way it's fitted, if you can see on camera, there's basically this lip here and here, so it will go in a groove, and then there's this tab here that holds it in place. So what I have to do is basically pry this out, but I think some of these will break off. I can't think of a way of removing the one that's on the car without breaking some of these tabs, but we'll give it a go and see what we end up with, and hopefully the color matches well enough so I don't have to take this and have it repainted. It only cost about £20. I wasn't expecting it to be perfect, but I just feel it doesn't match quite well enough. So as I was expecting, I did break one of the tabs here. Let's just compare them. So let's see what broke off. Gosh, are they actually the same type? Yeah, they seem to be the same if I can hold them the same way. So we've definitely got a tab here that's broken, one here that's broken, and I think that's it. You can see on the inside the overspray on the Tesla original one is a lot less overspray than on this one, but that doesn't matter. And then looking at everything else, all the tabs seem to be there in the same sort of places, except for the one that broke on this one, which is not the end of the world. Always a good idea to leave a clean surface where you've worked. And I found two of the bits that broke, so there's definitely one of those clips. So there's two clips that broke, I just couldn't see them well enough. So it doesn't fit quite well there. I'm not sure why it doesn't want to clip in place. So I haven't broken any of the clips yet, but it just doesn't want to fit in this one here. So that went in now. So it's all back in, nothing's broken. Not quite sure if the camera shows it, but now that it's in, I don't really see a huge difference. I don't think you'd be able to tell that it's been changed. It doesn't feel like it fits quite as nice as the original. There's a tiny kind of protrudes out here and doesn't quite follow the line here, but Tesla's not known for their good gaps on their bodywork, so I guess it just works with the car.